She's never been in trouble at work because we all, I guess, at criminal defense lawyers, we look at law enforcement or any kind of authority and we immediately think they're bad. But she's not bad, right? Like she's never even once in her entire career been accused of being rough or inappropriate or doing anything wrong on the job or anything like that. So you have a woman who just opens fire and shoots her husband. And the question is kind of like, well, why? Right? Why? So that's what it looks like. Now, what I learned right away was that there was a history of domestic violence. What wasn't clear immediately was how extensive the history was. And to be honest, I learned more and more about it throughout the almost 6 years getting ready for a trial because she was not capable of explaining a lot of it. When I first met her, which was she hadn't even been in custody for 24 hours. It's very rare that people hire me before a magistrate hearing. And her family came to me and begged me to go to the magistrate hearing. I had a 5 month old baby at home. I almost didn't take this case, right? It was a Saturday morning hearing, and I have this baby that I'm nursing, and they want me in court at 8:30 on a Saturday morning.
It was meant
Um,
for you to be on this case.
it was meant for me. It was totally meant for me. So I meet my client, and she is what I would describe as just a shell of a person. It's not the, oh, help me, I didn't do anything wrong. It wasn't my fault. It was his fault. And, call this one and call that one. It was nothing like that. She could barely speak. She could barely tell me anything. And right after that, I went to go see her where we could really sit down for a long time. And she was able to tell me a little bit more. I also had an investigator, a private investigator, go out and talk to her right away to try to get as much information. And when I say right away, I'm talking about within a day.